Hey guys, it's your favorite broke beauty guru, Lexa Rose here with a special Instagram exclusive of Wrestling with Beauty. So you'll be hearing me talk a little bit more. What we're going to do is we're going to do a first impressions of a haul that I had gotten yesterday from Ulta, one of my favorite stores, and it came with a bag full of goodies, and I got a couple of nice things, and we're gonna do a full face using a lot of these products. So got the Hula contour stick, although I've been hearing like bad stuff about it, but then again, I'm the broke beauty guru, so y'all know I can make $1 out of 15 cents, so let that be known. Okay, so we've got all this neat wonderful stuff that we'll be trying out, and if you want to see how this goes, then just keep watching. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to go into our Benefit Professional primer. There's nothing left in here, as you can tell, empty. So we're just gonna throw this on the face. Okay, so I didn't use the Tarte Maracuja oil only because I tried it yesterday and it actually felt really good on my skin, but I didn't want to like OD on my face. I'd rather just stay with what I know, which is this, so that's why you didn't see me use it. But face is primed, now on to the next step. Next we're going to go into our Born This Way medium to full coverage foundation. This is in warm nude. I already tested it, so it should be able to match my skin tone. I just don't know how it's going to react when it oxidizes. But let's get started anyways. Okay, so I'm liking kind of the way the color looks so far, and it's a lot better than the Huda Beauty one that I usually use, which is this one. Even though it looks a little darker, it oxidizes paler, which is weird. But this one actually is oxidizing quite nicely, and it's more of a yellow shade, which is closer to my skin tone, which I really like, because my face is a bit yellow. It's not jaundice or anything like that, it's just yellow. So I'm happy with this so far. Next we're gonna just do the contouring. Next we're grabbing our Tarte Shape Tape concealers, and we're gonna just start popping it on the face. Now we're gonna blend with a beauty blender. Next we're gonna go in with the Hula contour stick and just go right in there. Now it's time to set it and forget it. Okay, so now that we've got the eyebrows put on, what we're going to do is we're going to basically just redefine the contour really quickly. So I'm just going to go into this palette, not going to mention any names. Pretty sure you know what it is. Yeah, so my mind is my business is my mind. So, you know, if you're like, how come you're not saying anything about the product? Well, you know what? Do your research. You'll know why. So, I'm just going to go in with a brush, if I could find one, because, you know, I have a crap ton of brushes, and there we go. We're just going to go right in and define. So now that we got the contour done, we're going right into the eyes, and I got the Venus 3 palette from Lime Crime. Finally, and we're just gonna go in with a Morphe brush, if I can find it, M433, and we're gonna go right into the shade Dreamy, and we're just gonna pop that on the lid. Now, if you're wondering why my eyelids aren't primed, they're already got concealer on them and also foundation, so it's already pretty much primed, you know, so I figured we could skip that step. It's common sense. So let's get into it. Okay, so moving on, we're gonna go right into this brown color called Ecstasy, and we're just gonna pop that really quickly on the outer V. Next, we're gonna go in with this Tarte Amazon clay blush in Natural Beauty, and it's like a really deep red, so I'm really hoping to just be light on this. Okay, it's not too bad. Next, we're gonna go in with some eyeliner and mascara. I'm going in with eyeliner with the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black, and then Better Than Sex mascara. We're gonna go back into the Venus palette, and we're gonna hit up that Paradise color, which is that purple color, and we're just gonna smoke out the bottom. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Moonchild Glow palette, highlight palette, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna go right into Purple Horseshoe, Clovers and Blue Moons, Pots of Gold and Rainbows, and a red balloon. Anyways, I'm gonna pop this on. Okay, so now that we're almost finished with the look, we're gonna finish it off with lips, and I got Lime Crime's liquid lip. It's called the Velveteen's liquid lip, and I got this one in Siren, which is like a really nice peach color. I don't know if I could do a swatch. Swatches aren't very good on this. That is pretty. Look at that. So we're gonna put this on our lips. And this is the completed look. We're gonna finish it off by loosening up this hair. But this is the completed look using all products, mostly products, that I just recently purchased from my favorite store, Ulta. Yes, Ulta. Y'all redeemed yourselves. I don't know what to really call this look except more like Crimson and Clover. I don't know. But I really like the lavender pink look, and I think it looks great just for the summertime. So thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll be putting more of these on my Instagram. Just keep following me, and thank you so much for the support. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because this might be on there as well. Love you guys.